What we're going to be doing over these videos is looking at the platform so that you can start to develop a advanced level understanding of exactly what it can do for you and your business. And if you're wondering to yourself, well, gosh, who is this guy who is talking to me? Well, my name's Cody Stepp. I am a real estate technologist, and my work kind of sits in the crosshairs of real estate, technology, and AI. And I have built a company called Workflow Secrets, and our product is SAM. Now, SAM is the system that is currently on the trajectory to replace legacy real estate CRMs. And my personal goal is to obsolete those systems in the next 12 to 24 months. Now, the reason for this is modern technology plus the introduction of AI has brought us so much power, and the current systems that you are, in some cases, forced to use are still acting as what I like to call digital Rolodexes. That's the technology from the 1960s that we built into software in the 1990s. And then in the early 2000s, we added workflow automations, but we didn't really adjust what a CRM was or could actually do for you. Well, we completely scrapped that idea with the Systems Accelerator Manager, and this is going to be where you learn exactly how you can actually be successful in it. So if you need a little bit of credentialing, my time in real estate technology actually started professionally about 6 years ago, but I was actually born and raised a real estate technologist. I'm a second generation. If you look on the top left-hand side of this slide, that is actually me on my first day at work, working for my father, who is a 35-year vet of real estate technology. He has built two of the most successful real estate CRMs. He's helped tens of thousands of real estate agents build successful businesses using technology. And I have the pleasure of now working with him. Several months ago, I got to offer him the opportunity to come back to Workflow Secrets and help build SAM with me. And ultimately, we are building that system for you guys to help you build that successful business. He's built systems pre-internet as well as in the SaaS, and now we have the ability to bring AI to it. Ultimately, what we're going to be looking to give you is some critical wins that you can take whether or not you decide SAM is the right system for you, and you can walk away with having a really great understanding of the tools that are available to you out in the marketplace.